Hello, welcome back to another video from us at Refresh. We're here again with our HP Deskjet 1050A, and today we're going to be looking at how to do a simple copy job. We're just going to need to pop some paper in the back. And pop our document onto the scanner. And as indicated here, we want to slot that just into the corner so it's nice and flush. Close that one down. We're going to open the front flap, and we have two buttons here. We're just going to press the black one for a black copy. And there we go. Simple as that. That's a black copy done. Thanks for watching.